Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, you guys, this is just a quick video showing you guys how I baked the bacon wrapped turkey. That's the bacon wrapped turkey that I seasoned on my live on the seasoning Saturday live. The turkey I did just before Christmas. So this is just a quick video just to show you guys how it turned out. So here you can see that I had it in the freezer, frozen for that 4 days after the live. And this is what it's looking like. So I'm going to be putting this turkey into the oven for several hours just to bake it. And then once it's done, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So if you're interested in knowing and seeing how I seasoned this turkey, please tune into that live. It's the Seasoning Saturday live, and the title is Bacon Wrapped Turkey. So let's get into the video. So here I'm showing the extra turkey giblets, the bits like the neck and the liver. I also seasoned that, and I will be adding that also into the tin for it to cook as well. So this is the turkey uncovered after baking for 3 hours. So what I did, you guys, I steamed it in the foil paper, have it baked in the oven for about 3 hours. And this is after that 3-hour period where I took the foil paper off of it. And I'm just using the flavor injector to inject back the juices back into the turkey breast, legs, and thigh. So yes, because this is a big turkey, it did take several hours to cook, but it was so well worth the time. And once it's done, you're going to see what I mean. You're going to see all the flavor that was injected back into the turkey. You're going to see it inside once you cut into it. And also the turkey was really moist because it steamed for that long before I uncovered it. So it was wonderful. So after I used my flavor injector to inject back some of this wonderful juice back into the turkey, I also went in with my turkey baster just to baste the turkey all over to help to keep it moist so that it doesn't dry out too quickly. So here you have it, guys. So this is my turkey after it has been baking for several hours. So in total, it took about 6 hours. So both steaming covered in the foil paper and uncovered. In total, it took about 6 hours. And I must tell you guys, this turkey was so delicious because it had the flavor from the bacon. It just elevated the taste of the turkey. And I'm telling you, it was so phenomenal. So try this bacon wrapped turkey process. And trust me, for people who don't really like the taste of turkey that much, it will make a big difference in how you feel about turkey after you wrap it in the bacon and then bake it for, however long you need to. But yeah, it makes a big difference. So this is me giving you guys a close-up look, cutting into the turkey. If you can see how moist this is. And I'm telling you guys, it was so wonderful, so very wonderful. And it was juicy and flavorful because using the flavor injector to get the juices from the turkey and the seasoning back into the breast of the turkey makes a big difference. I'm going to show you guys a close-up as well as to how the flavor that was injected back into the turkey breast, you could just see it there, just in the breast of the turkey. And that made a big difference in the taste. So the next time you bake turkey, you guys, try this method and let me know how it turns out for you. So this is what I'm talking about, you guys. Look at that flavor that was injected back into the turkey breast from the seasoning and the juices. You can even still see it after it has baked.